Linux containers have been around for a while, but container adoption has really exploded over the past few years. So, what are containers? Why have they become so popular? And what advantages can they offer your business? Simply put, a container is a software packaging method that encapsulates a software service or application, all of its dependencies, and the minimal set of runtime resources it needs to perform its function. So in some ways, containers are similar to traditional virtual machines. But whereas every virtual machine requires its own complete full-sized OS, containers share a common OS kernel, which means each individual container only needs a few basic OS components to run. This approach provides some important benefits. First, containers start up in a few seconds or less because they don't have to wait for the full operating system to spin up. They're portable and lightweight, so you can easily move them among different compatible platforms. And of course, containers offer all the flexibility of open source. But most important, containers require fewer resources than full virtual machines, which translates directly into significant cost savings. For example, if you're running 2 applications on a virtual server and the operating system takes up 50% of the total footprint, running containers instead of full VMs will reduce your resource requirements by around 25%. This approach is perfectly suited for today's agile development models, whether you're building small, loosely coupled collections of microservices, performing continuous integration and continuous deployment, or deploying services and applications in the cloud. To run containers, you'll need to start with a container engine. The most popular options are the open-source Docker container engine and Linux containers. You'll also need tools to create, secure, maintain, and orchestrate your containers throughout their entire life cycles. With these components in place, you're ready to take advantage of all the agility and cost savings containers can offer your organization. So learn more about the benefits of containers and how SUSE can help you make the most of them.